Father Sebastian, belong to the congregation of the Blessed Sacrament. I based in Siolim Methodist Chapel, Gonzavada. As we prepared ourselves for 9 days novena to St. Peter Julian Eymard, the Apostle of the Eucharist. August 2nd is the feast of St. Peter Julian Eymard, the Apostle of the Eucharist. Today we have the evening 6 o'clock, the solemnity of the Holy Eucharist. St. Peter Julian Eymard, the Apostle of the Eucharist. As people of God from the different parts of Goa, as well as the people of God of Gonzavada, joining for this Holy Eucharist. And especially we, the Blessed Sacrament Fathers, we pray for the whole humanity. Especially we pray for all the cancer patients in the world. And especially we, the people of Gonzavada, this saint dedicated to the cancer patient. My dear friends in Jesus Christ, a special way, I wish you the happy feast to all the Blessed Sacrament Fathers in India and all over the world. And today we especially pray for the whole humanity. My dear friends, St. Peter Julian Eymard lived his life for the Holy Eucharist. Eucharist is the source and summit of all the Christianity. Today we pray for all the people, those who ask our prayers. That is important for the Eucharist. As we gathering here at 6 o'clock, the solemnity of Holy Eucharist, we pray for you, and especially we pray for all your intentions fulfill God's will through the intercession of Saint Peter Julian Eymard. Once again, I wish you happy feast to everyone in all over the world and India, especially in Goa.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.